This is the #1 affiliate marketing program in the make money online niche that I've discovered over the past few years. I haven't really been active with it until like recently, and I only brought a few people in, and I've already made $6,858 with this company. Their name is Builderall, and they're a software company that lets you build sales funnels and lead capture pages and different things like that. So it's a very lucrative affiliate program because these people that you bring into this program will keep paying for the subscription based service over and over and over again. And if I would have been promoting this full time, like I do my own information products and my own online courses, I would have made way more money than I have already made. It's just a fact. So as you can see, $6,858.85 with Builderall, and very passively. Like I don't do any promotion really. This is the first video of me actually showing Builderall on my YouTube channel because I usually focus like on Warrior Plus products and Warrior Plus launches and Facebook marketing and things like that. So in this video, I'm going to show you what you can earn with Builderall, and from my experience, the earnings calculator is very accurate because I only have a few people with my network and I'm already making really good money. So if we come over here to the earnings calculator, there's a few different plans. So I'm at premium level. So there's a marketer, essential, and premium. You'll see a link in the description where it actually shows all the plans that you can choose if you want, as well as getting my done for you sales funnels and bonuses and training for traffic generation if you need something like that, or if you need a coach or a mentor who's actually going to respond to you. I have a very active Facebook group that I will be helping you in, and it's just a great all-around deal because the more you succeed, the more I succeed. So it's in my best interest to actually get you to make money with Builderall. So if we look at the marketer plan, I'm going to show you something really cool, and I think you're really going to like it. So this is very conservative numbers that I'm going to be revealing to you. So I'm going to go over the course of getting one sale per week. So that's 48 sales in a year, and that's automatically 48 affiliates. And then I'm going to say, okay, well, you got 48 affiliates on board with you. Let's say they only get one sale a month, right? So they only get 12 sales. This is crazy. So this is at the marketer level plan, right? Nope. So this is at the marketing level plan. And after a year of building, if you're only personally bringing in one person to use this program to like, and I can think of so many different niches for people who want to use Builderall, people who sell solo ads, people who are like into building funnels for clients. So people on Fiverr or whatever who want to build um, sales funnels for their clients. This is crazy. Like that, you can get one person a week to use Builderall. So this is at the basic marketer level plan. Your monthly income is going to be $5,597 a month. Okay, that's crazy, and I know this for a fact because it's actually happening for me now. I'm actually starting to see momentum, which is really cool. And then the essential plan, we're going to use the same numbers, and I'm going to show you if you only bring in a person a week for a whole year. And this is all based on math. This is real numbers. This is based off of what they pay, and it's based off of your commission. So like the commission you get 100% commission on the first sale, and then 30% recurring monthly commissions. So as long as they keep using the service and they keep using the platform and they keep building sales funnels for clients or whatever, and they're building their list, things like that, they're going to keep paying and you're going to keep making money, which is really cool. So we're just going to scroll down. So as you can see, your monthly income at the essential level is going to be $9,341 per month. And they show the math down there. They show the 48 sales that you got. That's your commission. And they show the 48 times the 12. That's the active people that your affiliates bring in. That's your commission. So you're looking at $9,341 per month. It's crazy. And so I'm at the premium plan. So this is what I can be doing. And so I'm really going to take this more seriously because I can promote products and make really good money. But I noticed that Builderall is just a way better comp plan. They have better lifetime per client. Okay, so like each of your affiliates only brings in one person per month at the premium level, which is $69.90. Which, by the way, you're going to get all my sales funnels, my training, my webinars, all that stuff at that level. So as you can see, at premium level, 48 people brought in, 48 affiliates, one sale per month from each of your affiliates, you're making $13,085 a month. So this is a crazy opportunity, by far the best affiliate marketing program that I know of for the make money online niche. So if you want to get started, below this video is a link to where you can choose your plan. So whatever plan you want to choose based off of how much money you want to make, and whether or not you can look at the features and things like that. It'll tell you how many sales funnels you can create and all the different programs and apps that come with the program. Then just go ahead and do that. And once you do, make sure you join my Facebook group, because once you're in, I'm going to be mentoring you. I'm going to be giving you my training and my strategies so you can start getting at least one sale a week with Builderall, as well as some other money-making techniques and stuff that I have that you can use. So if this is interesting to you, just, yeah, get started. Choose a plan. Hit me up. You can even comment below this video saying that I'm in, and then like tell me what plan you're at, and then I'll look you up, and then, yeah, we'll get started. And yeah, it's going to be really cool. I'm saying yeah a lot, but I really am annoyed with myself for not taking Builderall more seriously. If I would have been promoting Builderall full time, I'd be making so much more money. And the fact that now I'm really serious about it, and I'm starting to push it on Facebook and YouTube and all the different methods that I'm going to be showing you, it's going to be really cool.